make society better. To make society better.
What I think is that if we can simply get up with one thought that today wherever I go, I will create a positive and I will try to create a beautiful world around. This is one thought that can change the whole society, because we have to leave our own personal benefit, and this is the definition of a true leader. A true leader means that the one who is able to see something beyond himself. In fact, he is not identified with only few things. He wants to do something for the society. If this thought has gone deep into us, then definitely we can assume to have a wonderful world around us.
So, in my opinion, I personally think that if I am rich, I can make better changes, or I can make others better in a real life, because everything is based on money. If I have a lot of money, I can contribute back to the society in different ways. The people who is looking for food, so I would love to deliver the food to them. If someone is looking for education, I would love to provide them books or study material. So everything is based on money. So I would love to get a lot of money, and after that I would love to help others.
So when it comes to like these types of topic, generally we expect that society will give something for us. We don't want to give anything to society. Every time we think that society should do thing for us, society should do this. But at the same time, I think we should consider that yes, you are also part of society, right? You have to start from yourself. You will have to contribute. Then you can expect something from the society. So first, like you can, as he said, you can create good environment. You can give a positive vibe to the society, and then you can educate someone also. So you should inspire someone. You should not be like that. Someone should inspire you. You should be the person that you can inspire someone. You can give positive vibe to someone, and then you can think that your society should work like this. So first, I think you should accept your condition, and then you should work on it. So ultimately, then you will also give a lot of things to society, and society will also provide a lot of things. So I think you should start with yourself.
About you are fulfill your different role responsibility in your family.
What do
You are fulfill क्यों? What do you think? Do you fulfill
So you fulfill
your
different
responsibility?
role
हाँ.
responsibility in your family.
So right now I am in such a condition, I am not able to fulfill my roles or responsibility in my family, because I am jobless. I don't have money to contribute back in my family in different ways. So I am looking for a change now. If I am able to get a good job, I would love to provide something in my family, in the growth of my family in different ways by the virtue of money. I will bring something for my parents' happiness.
Not answering the question.
Yes, I do fulfill the things that my parents expect from me. And yes, I'm quite happy with that also, because ultimately you have to take responsibility, right? You have to lead your family also. So once they educated you, so I think this is your responsibility, that you should take it positive and you should work on it. At the same time, sometimes to be honest, my family doesn't need too much right now, because I think they are enough to do a lot of things. My big brother is also working and he is supporting a lot. And my father is also working. So I think they are managing it, but at the same time, I also contribute I also contribute a small part. But yeah, they are happy. They are quite happy.
Well, this is the question. In fact, that has become so important to me in many different ways. Today, in fact, the scenario which is going on, it is very much related to that. As a son, in fact, if I talk about my contribution to my family, it is quite okay, because my parents are happy the way I'm doing things. I would say that life has been really hard on me for a very long time. In fact, I lost many people in front of me. They were very close to me in many different ways. But yes, I'm trying to do my best. Obviously, you know what, it doesn't matter how much you try, but still you always believe that there is a space for improvement, and I'm trying to do that. But as a human being, in fact, I always try to do my best wherever I go. I try to create positive vibes. I try to impact people positive. This is the one contribution that comes without any cost. So in that way, I'm doing well, and I'm quite happy. But still, there is a lot of space that where I could definitely put more efforts. And I think the way I'm going, I could be more useful to my family, to the society I exist in.
सर एक बार